Question number 19. So it says select the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the line in the graph to the right and goes through point 2, 2. All right. So what we need to do is find what is perpendicular to this line right here. But for me to find that, I need to first define what is the equation of the line using y equal mx plus b. All right. So again, you know that y is your total, m is your slope, all right, and b is your y-intercept. All right. So in this case, you're gonna have y equals some slope x and some y-intercept. The y-intercept is the easiest thing to find because it's where you cross the y-axis. So I saw that I crossed the y-axis at positive 6. Okay. Now I need to find my slope. So I need to go from a solid line to another solid dot. All right, not a solid line. One solid dot to another solid dot. So this y-intercept is a solid dot. Right here is also another solid dot. Okay. Right here is also another solid dot. Right here is also another solid dot. All right. To go from solid dot to solid dot, I would need to go down 2 times. All right. So because he went down, it's a negative 2 at the top. All right. And then to the right once. Okay. You're using your rise over run. Okay. Here again, you'd go down 2 times, right once, down 2 times, right once. All right. So because you went to the right once, there's a 1 down here. Okay. So now we need to try to find the perpendicular to this line. All right. Perpendicular, which would mean that you change the sign of your slope and you flip the number. So the perpendicular to this, I would change the sign from a negative to a positive, and I'll flip 2 over 1 to be 1 over 2. All right. So again, guys, whenever you're doing perpendicular, all right. So whenever you're doing perpendicular, all right, you change the sign. So you change sign, okay, flip number, okay. So again, guys, that's how you do perpendicular. You change the sign and then flip the number, okay. And we don't care what this y-intercept is, so I'm going to replace it with the letter B, okay. So I'm going to plug in the points that I'm given. So I'm given 2 for the x and 2 for the y. So I replace my y with 2, 1/2. I replace my x with 2 to find b. All right. This 2 right here is the same as 2 over 1. Okay. So I would end up writing. So again, guys, I would end up writing. I'm going to scroll up a little bit. So I would end up writing. So I can't scroll up anymore. All right. 2 equal 1 times 2. So when I multiply these two, I get 2. When I multiply the denominators, I get 2 plus b. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I would end up having 2 equal 1 plus b. Now I would move the 1 to the other side. To move the positive 1 to the other side, I would subtract 1. So your b is equal to 2 take away 1, which is 1. So the equation for your perpendicular would be this equation, but you replace your b with 1. So the equation is going to be y equal 1/2 x plus 1. All right. So the answer would be B. All right, guys. So again, just like that.